Chapter 60. I'm in my room, with the door locked, lying flat on my bed. "Go away!" I yell. "But Bubala, I made peach kugel, your favorite." "I hate that. Go away." "Davy, I'm sorry about Hammy, but you have to eat something. A little nosht? Nosht?" "No! I won't go downstairs, or back to school. How can I face those kids for my science class? They saw me dripping. Tommy humiliated me, and he'll probably do it again and again. Elliot still hates me, and I don't even know why. What good does it do to have thousands of fans online when not a single person at school likes me except Sophie? I can still see her hand slapped over her mouth as she watched me dripping toilet water on the floor. How am I supposed to deal with all of this without Hammy to make me feel better? Without Mom? A little while after Bubby leaves, someone pounds on my bedroom door. "David Todd Greenberg, open up this second. You've upset your Bubby." "Sorry," I say, even though I'm not. "Open the door," Dad says. I say nothing. He pounds once, hard. "Now!" I look up at the towel over Hammy's cage, pull my covers up to my nose, and say nothing. "Well then," David says, exasperated, "you won't eat dinner tonight." "Fine," I say, because that was all I wanted in the first place. An hour later, another knock. "David, Sophie's on the phone." She probably wants to tell me she never wants to see me again. My heart beats so loudly in my ears I think I'm going to be deaf. "Hello?" Lindsay says, sounding annoyed. "She wants to know what you want her to do with your cupcake, whatever the heck that means." The cupcake. The cupcake that started this whole thing. Tommy wouldn't have been thought of flushing my head if it hadn't been seen that cupcake and figured it was my birthday. Tell her I don't care. Tell her she can flush it down the toilet. I don't mean that. I know that Sophie was just trying to make me feel better about Hammy with that cupcake, but I'm too upset right now to be nice. Besides, I can't stand knowing that she saw me dripping. "I'm not saying that," Lindsay hisses. "Go away," I scream, and throw my Rubik's Cube at the door. I thought I'd be glad when the hallway light finally went out and I heard Dad shut his bedroom door, but I'm not. Even though I could turn on my computer right now and read dozens of fan messages from people all over the world, I feel more alone than ever.